Here's a quick introduction into 2.1 patterns and inductive reasoning. Now, if you've ever watched Dora the Explorer and my nephew, Boots, you know everything about patterns. Where will we go next, Boots? A key concept in this section is inductive reasoning. Now, if we look at this flow chart here, this is very much your scientific method. You make an observation, you see if there's some patterns, then you make this tentative hypothesis. And after you've made that tentative hypothesis, then you test it and test it and test it until it becomes a theory. One small word change for us though, hypothesis, we're going to use that term for something else in the next couple of sections. So we tend to use the word conjecture, but it's the same thing. Same thing you'd say in science class. A hypothesis is an educated guess. A conjecture is just that, looking at patterns and making an educated guess. And then you're going to test it, make sure that it works. Let's go, Boots. Let's test whether you understand this concept of patterns by looking at these two examples right here.
Well, first we go to the gooey geyser.
Yeah, this one's going to look like this.
Then we're going to go to Batcave Mountain.
Number 2 will look like this. That's how my friends Boots and Dora work. Sometimes math in its beauty has so many patterns of its own. Check out this one. Here's a few examples of classic induction. Again, look, do you see a pattern? Here's the pattern I see. I've tested it. It worked with the numbers that I have so far. So I just need to continue this process. I wonder what 243 times 3 is. Perhaps you want to sharpen your explorer skills by trying one of the next 3 questions. Then I think you're probably ready for today's assignment. Let's go get it.
Swiper, no swiping.